Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. To continue with this front living chassis prep, what they've done here is we have a turning station that flips our chassis completely upside down, so it makes it easy to install all of that insulation and your undercarriage, and makes it easy to seal everything up very nice and tight. You're not going to get any moisture in our underbellies because we seal them. This is a corrugated, very durable plastic underbelly that we put. We're not just putting a Darco sheet on there, we're putting a very durable corrugated plastic underbelly on there, and we're sealing it all up into sections so that if there's an issue that you have to get to, you can take these sections off. You don't have to strip out a whole great big section to get to what you need to get to. You can take off sections at a time. These are caulked and sealed right to the frame. So hey, let us know what you think. We take great care and pride in building our units in a full-time manner for the full-timer. So what we're doing here is we're putting, if you can see this under here, we're putting a radiant barrier. This keeps any kind of exterior heat and bounces it back off. We're sealing that all the way around our cavity in our chassis first. Then we put a batting insulation and we stuff that cavity with a batting insulation. So all of your holding tanks, all of your plumbing, all of your wiring is completely enclosed in that underbelly. So give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.